This video helps you to do the electrical system design problem in a domestic building. So you look at the problem. The floor plan of two-storied residential building is shown below. Calculate number of light, fan, socket and exhaust points required and size of the dB. Also draw the schematic diagram, electrical schematic diagram of the building. In question, the floor plan of ground and first floor are given. So this is the floor plan of ground floor, and in this floor there are one master bedroom cum dressing room that is attached with the bathroom, and one number of living room, one number of dining room, one number of kitchen, one number of work area, and one number of store, car porch, and one number of sit out. So that's all the ground floor plan. Then the first floor plan. So this is the first floor plan, and in this first floor plan, the first floor, which consists of two number of bedroom 1 and bedroom 2. Okay, two number of bedroom cum dressing room with the toilet and one family living room. That's all the floor plan of ground and first floor. Now the same problem here. The type of room available in ground floor, that we already discussed. The type of room available in ground floor. In ground floor we have one number of bedroom. That bedroom is bedroom cum dressing room, that is attached with the bathroom. Okay, so the bedroom cum dressing room, that we consider as a single unit. Okay, bedroom cum dressing room. So in ground floor, one number of bedroom cum dressing room, then one number of living room, one number of dining room, one number of kitchen, one number of work area, one number of store, one number of sit out, and one number of car porch and bathroom. In ground floor, one attached bathroom is there, so one number of bathroom or toilet. Then coming to the first floor. Okay, type of room available in first floor. In first floor, we have two number of bedroom cum dressing room, one number of living room, two number of bathroom, then peripheral light, okay, used in terrace, and then we combined both the plan, first and ground plan, and we combined the type of room, and the total number of bedroom is 3, then living room 2, dining room 1, kitchen 1, then veranda, toilets 3, sit out 1, car porch 1, store 1, and work area 1. Okay, so that's all the room type available in our given building. Then we need to make some assumptions before we install the different electrical points. So the first assumption, according to NEC 2011, the first assumption is number of 6 ampere socket and 16 ampere socket is installed in a different type of room. For example, in bedroom, this table shows the number of 6 and 16 ampere socket required to install a different type of room. So in bedroom, we need one number of 6 ampere socket, one number of 16 ampere socket. Okay, then living room 2 to 3. And 16 ampere socket 2, and kitchen 1 2, dining room 2 1, garage 1 1, refrigerator 1, air conditioner 1, veranda 1, bathroom 1, 16 ampere 1. That's all. That is the electrical sockets need to install in a different type of room. Then next one is the table 2. So the table 2 shows the different type of loads installed in each room. For example, bedroom. In bedroom, we install a main lamp. Okay, one main lamp with the wattage of 60 watts. Then WB, wall brackets, that also used for lighting purpose, and we assume the wattage 15 watts, and number of WB in a bedroom 1 to 2. Then CF, that is ceiling fan. One number of ceiling fan is required in bedroom. then one number of 6 ampere and one number of 16 ampere. Similarly, in living room, main lamp 1, WB 2, CF1, 6 ampere 2, 16 ampere, 2. So the number of electrical points required in a building in different type of rooms are available in this table. So that is the table number 2. Then next table that indicates the wattage of electrical points. Okay. So normally in incandescent lamp, the wattage of main lamp or incandescent lamp we assumed as 60 watts. The wall bracket we assumed its wattage is 15, fan 40, 6 ampere socket 100, 16 ampere socket 1000, exhaust fan 40. So based on these tables, we now we make a table. It consists of the different electrical points required in each rooms available in our floor plan. So the first room type is bedroom cum dressing room, and we have 3 number of bedroom cum dressing room. 3 number of bedroom cum dressing room. So according to NEC, we need one main lamp in bedroom. Okay. So one lamp is required in one bedroom. That means the total number of main lamp in bedrooms. We have 3 bedrooms. So 3 into 1, that is 3. So you write in 3. 3 number of main lamp is required in all the bedrooms. Then next is WB, wall brackets. So according to NEC, the last table, the 2 number of WB is required in a bedroom. So we have 3 bedrooms. So 3 into 2, that is 6. Then CF, ceiling fan. Ceiling fan, 1 number is required. So we have 3 rooms. So 3 into 1, 3. Then 6 ampere socket. So 2 number is required in each bedroom. So 3 into 2, 6. 16 ampere socket, 1 number. So 1 into 3, 3. Then exhaust fan 0 and other 0. Then coming to living room. Actually we have 2 living room. 1 living room in ground floor and second living room in first floor. So the minimum requirement of 16 watts lamp is 1. So we have 2 living rooms. So 2 into 1, 2. And minimum requirement of WB is 2. So 2 into 2, 4. Then minimum requirement of ceiling fan, that is 1. Okay, that is 1. So 2 into 1. 2 number of living room are there. So total ceiling fan in living rooms 2. Then 6 ampere socket. 2 6 ampere socket is required in one living room. So 2 into 2, 4. Then 16 ampere socket, 2 16 ampere socket is required. So 2 into 2, that is 4. Then similarly dining room. So one dining room is there. So one main lamp, one WB, one ceiling fan, then 2 6 ampere socket and 1 16 ampere socket. Then kitchen, 1 number of kitchen. So one main lamp, one WB, then one CF, 1 6 ampere socket, 1 16 ampere socket and one exhaust fan, EF. Then sit out. Sit out, we don't need to install the main lamp. So we install a one WB only. Then toilets. So we have 3 number of toilets. So each toilet having 1 number of WB. So 3 into 1, 3. Then 6 ampere socket 1 into 3. So 3 number of toilets means 3 into 1, 3. Then 16 ampere socket 0. Then exhaust fan. So 1 number of exhaust fan is required in each toilet. So 3 total toilets are 3. So 3 into 1, 3. Then work area. Work area we need only 1 WB for lighting purpose. So 1 number of WB. Then 1 6 ampere socket. Then peripheral light 5. So we can neglect the peripheral light. Then in carports also we install a small light that is WB, wattage of 15 watts. So that is the electrical points in a given building. And according to these electrical points, actually we total all the values. So main lamp we have 7, WB 19. Then third one is ceiling fan. So 7 ceiling fan is required. Then 18 number of 16 ampere socket. 18 number of 6 ampere socket. 10 number of 16 ampere socket. And 4 number of exhaust fan. And we can neglect the last one, others. So this is the total points, electrical points in a given building. And actually in a domestic building, there are 2 type of circuits available. The first one is sub-circuit, second one is power circuit. And all the points except the power plug and motor circuits, we connect to sub-circuits, whereas in power circuits we connect power plug and motor circuit. So there are two circuits, one is sub-circuit, second one is power circuits. In sub-circuit we connect all the light points, fan point, 6 ampere socket, exhaust fan, etc. In power circuit we connect the 16 ampere socket and motor circuit also. So the total number of light points. Total number of light points means the main lamp. So here we have two type of light point. One is main lamp, second one is WB, wall bracket. So 17 plus 19, that is 26. That is the total number of light point. Ceiling fan 7, exhaust fan 4, then 16 ampere socket 10, 6 ampere socket 18. And total wattage. Total wattage means total, how we calculate total wattage or connected load. This is a connected load or total wattage. So how we calculate the connected load means the 7 be the number of 7 be the number of main lamp, and wattage of each lamp is 60 watts. So 7 into 60 plus 19. 19 is the number of WB. 19 is the number of WB. So 19 into the wattage of WB is it's 15 watts. So 19 into 15 plus 7 be the number of ceiling fan, and wattage of ceiling fan is 40. So plus 7 into 40. Then plus 4 number of exhaust fan. Okay, 4 number of exhaust fan. So wattage of exhaust fan is 40. So 4 into 40. Then 10 number of power plug, and wattage of each power plug is 1000 watts. So 10 into 1000 plus 18 number of 6 ampere socket, and wattage of each 6 ampere socket we assumed as 100 watts. So plus 18 into 100. Then we get 12,945 kilowatt or 12.94 kilowatt. So that is the connected load of our building. So this is the first part of the problem.